My name is MEHARAJUNNISA. I have completed my Bachelor's of Science at Sri Srinivasa Degree College in the year of 2025. As a B.SC graduate, I would have less knowledge of programming skills, so I thought of joining Qspiders. I have joined Qspiders in the month of July 2025. My trainers are SQL was taught by Karishma ma'am. Ma'am used to come near each and every student and clear the doubts with lots of patience. And Java was taught by Kaushik sir. I initially thought that Java is very hard, but Kaushik sir made it very easy. Kaushik sir taught Java in a very easier way. Manual was taught by Puneet sir and Hemant sir. Sir gave many real-time examples which helped me to remember all the topics very clearly. Selenium was taught by Nandini ma'am. I am in the learning stage of Selenium. Ma'am taught Selenium in very easier way. The practical knowledge whichever I have gained in Selenium helped me in clearing the interviews. I have joined the grooming sessions before the day of interview. Pawan sir taught Java the day before the interview in such a way that we feel like I will clear the interview the very next day. And the weekly mocks and the presentations helped me in building my communication skills and confidence, which helped me to clear all the interviews whichever I have attended. Thank you, Qspiders.